The Indian plateau is also known as Peninsular Plateau. It is mainly composed of old crystalline, hard, igneous, and metamorphic rocks. The Peninsular Plateau slightly tilted towards east. It consists of two divisions, namely Malwa Plateau and the Deccan Plateau. The plateau region is dry. The rivers are not perennial. Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in mineral resources. The Western Ghats. Parallel to the west coast, Western Ghats are higher than Eastern Ghats. Deccan Plateau west east slope is seen. Western Ghats and Nilagiri join at Gudalur. Ooty is famous hill station is in Nilagiri Hills. Dodabetta is the highest peak in Nilagiris. Annamudi peak is the highest peak in South India. Annamalai Hills, Palani Hills, Cardamom Hills are part in Western Ghats. The Eastern Ghats from Mahanadi Valley to Nilgiri. Rivers that originate in Western Ghats like Godavari and Krishna cut across the plateau, join the Bay of Bengal. Average height is 900 meters. Highest peak is Aroyakonda near Chintapalli, 1680 meters. Some parts of Eastern Ghats are Nallamalas, Velikondas, Palakondas, Sheshachalam hills. Peninsular plateau is black soils formed due to volcanic activity. Thar Desert. Thar Desert located on the leeward side of Aravalis. It receives very low rainfall. It is consists of an undulating sandy plain and rocky layers. It occupies much of western Rajasthan. Streams appear during rainy season and disappear soon after. Luni is the only river present in this area. Indira Gandhi Canal 650 kilometers, which is the longest canal present in this area. Hence, several hectares under cultivation. The coastal plains. The west coastal plain. It starts from Ran of Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. It is narrower. It has three parts. One is Konkan, Maharashtra and Goa. Second, Canara, Karnataka. Third one, Malabar, Kerala. The east coastal plain from Mahanadi to Tamil Nadu, formed by Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Very fertile lands. It has three parts. One is Utkal, Odisha. Second one is Sarkar, Andhra Pradesh. Third one, Coromandel, Tamil Nadu. Lakes like Chilaka in Odisha, Kolleru and Pulicat in Andhra Pradesh. The islands. There are two groups of islands in India. One, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are stretched in Bay of Bengal. They are portion of Arcanioma. Narcondam and Barren are volcanic origin. The southmost tip of India is Indira Gandhi Point, found in Nicobar Islands. The second group of islands is Lakshadweep. They are located in Arabian Sea. They are of coral origin. Total area is 32 square kilometers. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates.